come to Hawaii, police never pressure him. Cause every time I travel Europe and California and Oregon and Utah, police pressure me. But since I come to Hawaii, the place nice and police never pressure me. Because, hold on. You know why police never pressure me? Because Hawaii is a nice place. Remind me of Jamaica. Yes? But, yeah. Every time I go to Jamaica, police stop me right at Jamaica because at Jamaica I live right now. Police stop me and say, yo, Pupa album, I love your tune. It's so nice. Yeah, man, yo. Give me 5, yeah. Policeman, them cool, yes. So Hawaii, no, nice place, nice people, one love, one destiny. You see what I said, yeah. But anyway, when I go to Europe now at the airport, police stop me and tell me, say, yo, Rasta, you smoke weed. And I said, no. Rasta, no good. You smoke weed, you sell weed, you no good, you criminal. And I said, no, me no criminal. I work with God. I can't be no criminal if I work with God. God is by my side. I can't be no criminal. Run the cards then. Are you ready? Are you ready? Coming on. Policeman and soldier fist up. Pressure not in dreadlocks. Policeman and soldier fist up. Pressure not in dreadlocks. Policeman and soldier fist up. Pressure not in dreadlocks. Make some noise. Policeman and soldier fist up. Pressure not in dreadlocks. When Mr. Brown, when you the pardon, I know exactly what you right. I'm not trying to take you for fool, but it's 9 o'clock in the night. Me just a walk, me no look for no trouble in New York City. But of course, you have many problems, cause paparazzi naughty. Policeman and soldier fist up, pressure not in dreadlocks. Policeman and soldier fist up, pressure not in dreadlocks. Policeman and soldier fist up, pressure not in